Here are some laws of the logarithm. Say log base a mn can be written as log a base a m plus log base a n. Second law is log base a m upon n can be written as log base a m minus log base a n. Third law can be written as log base a m to the power n. So this n will come in front of log, so it will become n log base a m. We can write log a m is equals to log base b m m upon log b a. Log base b a can be written as 1 upon log a base b. So these are the few rules which you have to learn them properly to do the exercise. Now we are coming to the exercise 9.2. Question number 1, part 1. It is being given that log a cube minus log a square. So what rule we are having, that log a cube upon a square. So a square, a cube being cancelled out. So I got the answer log a. Second part I have taken log a cube divided by log a square. In case of division we are not having any rule, but we know that this 3 can be brought in front of log a and 2 can be brought in front of this log a. So this will become 3 log a upon 2 log a. So log a will cancelled out and you will get 3 upon 2. Part third, log 27 upon log under root 3. Log 27 can be written as log 27 can be written as log 3 to the power 3, and under root 3 can be written as log 3 to the power 1 upon 2. So this will become 3 log 3 upon 1 by 2 log 3. So log 3 cancelled out. This 2 will be multiplied by 3. So you will get 6 as answer. Remaining part you will try of your own. In second question I have solved few questions for you. Say log within bracket 10 divided by cube root 10. So I can write it like this: 10 to the power 1 divided by 10 to the power 1 by 3, because cube root means power 1 by 3. In case of division, you know that powers are being subtracted. So that it will become 1 upon minus 1 upon 3. So log 10 to the power 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 will come in front of log, and you should know that value of log 10 is equals to 1. Again repeating, value of log 10 is equals to 1. So hence 2 upon 3 will be your answer. Say here it is given 2 plus 1 upon 2 log 10 to the power minus 3. Just now I told you log 10 is equals to 1. So log 2 will be equals to log 100. So log 100 plus log 10 to the power minus 3 by 2. From where I got this 2? Because 1 by 2 will be multiplied by minus 3. And this will become log 10 to the power 2 into log minus 3 by 2. Again it is multiplication, so we will add the power. So this will become log 2 to the power minus 3 by 2. So it will become log 10 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will come in front of log and log 10 will become 1. So hence the answer will be your 1 by 2. Now I have solved question of part third. For this, say 2 log 5 plus log 8 minus 1 upon 2 log 4. 2 log 5 means log 5 square, log 8, and 1 by 2 means 4 to the power 1 by 2. It will become log 25. It's okay, log 8, and this will become 2 because 4 square root of 4 is 2. So as this log is multiplying, so I will write 25 into 8 upon 2 because this is minus sign. So 2 and 8 will be cancelled out. You will be left over with 25 into 4, that is log 100, and I just told you log 100 is equals to your 2. Then I have taken sixth part. 2 log 5 plus log 3 plus 3 log 2 minus 1 upon 2 log 36 minus 2 log 10. So 2 log 5 means log 25. Log 3, this power 3 will go to, above 2. It will become log 8. This will become 1 by 2. So square root of 36 is 6. And 2 log 10 will equals to log 100. The number which are with plus sign will become the numerator. 25 into 3 into 8. and the number which are having the negative sign will come as denominator 6 into 100. Cancel it out, you will get log 1, and log 1 is equals to your 0. Then I have taken 7th question. Log 2 plus 16 log 16 by 15 plus 12 log 25 by 24 plus 7 log 81 upon 80. So first of all, I have done, make it log 2 is equals to 16, and I have converted it into lowest term, that is 2 to the power 4, 15 as 3 into 5, plus 12 log 25 is 5 to the power 2, and 24 is 2 to the power 3 into 3, means 8 into 3. Then 7 log 81 converted into 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 4 upon 5 into 5, that is 16 into 5. Then I have multiplied this number with all the powers. So what I got, log 2 to the power 64, 16 into 4, 3 to the power upon 3 to the power 16 into 5 to the power 16, plus 12 will be multiplied by 2, I will get 5 to the power 24, 2 to the power 36 means 12 into 3, and 3 to the power 12. Here I will multiply it by 7, so 3 to the power 28, 2 to the power 28 into 5 to the power 7. So now as all are added, so they all will be multiplied. So numerator I have taken 2 into 2 to the power 64 into 5 to the power 24 into 3 to the power 28, and in denominator 3 to the power 16 into 5 to the power 16 into 2 to the power 36 into 3 to the power 12 into 2 to the power 28 into 5 to the power 7. Now denominator I have collected the values 16 plus 12, 3 to the power 28, 16 plus 7, 23, 5 to the power 23, 2 to the power 64. Now see, this 2 to the power 64, 2 to the power 64 cancelled out, 3 to the power 28, 3 to the power 28 cancelled out. There we are having 5 to the power 23, and here we are having 24. So we will be left over with 1 5, and 2 is there. So it will become 2 into 5, that is equals to log 10, and the value of log 10 is equals to 1. Hence, this is your today's work. So you can complete the remaining question. In next class, I will start explaining you the next part.